Hi, David at Semper responding to an online question that asked what is the difference between wiring LEDs in series versus parallel. So what I did here is I've got a couple different LED rigs, and there's obviously two of them, but if you notice I've got three LEDs wired in series. And then I have these two rigs wired in series. And you know it's wired in series because it starts, in this case you have a positive, which is red, and a negative, which is black. So you'll notice that from the power supply it comes in positive to the positive on the first module, and then it's wired in series, and then when you get to the other conductor off the first module, it wires to the positive. The negative from the first goes to the positive on the second, and then the LEDs are wired in series. Now series just means in a chain, so you'll see the wire goes in a chain, and then it completes the circuit by the negative on the end going to the negative on the power supply. Now if we plug this in, this is going to be a little bright, so shield your eyes. You'll see that the LEDs turn on. Now as far as what the module is reading, off the driver we have 760 milliamps, and it's 21.7 volts for the 6 LEDs. And that basically, if you divide 21.7 by 6, you get approximately 3.6 volts per LED. So when these are wired, on average this LED has a forward voltage of 3.6 plus 3.6 plus 3.6 plus 3.66 plus 3.6 equals 21.7. The current will stay the same going through all these LEDs, and that's when you wire LEDs in series. Okay, so that answers the first part of the question, how to wire LEDs in series. And you would feed it with a constant current driver, and you would wire as many LEDs as are required to drive that power supply. Okay? If you have additional questions, go to the website, enter it, respond as soon as possible. Thank you.